In today's video, I'm going to teach you how long does eDreams take to confirm. If you've just booked a trip and you're waiting for that confirmation email, here's what to expect and how to check your status along the way. In most cases, eDreams confirms your booking a few minutes after payment. That's the typical experience and the one most travelers see. Your booking is created, the payment is processed, and the ticket is issued shortly after. Sometimes, though, it takes longer. It can take up to 24 hours for confirmation to come through. That window is normal and usually means your booking is going through a few extra checks behind the scenes. It's helpful to keep an eye on your inbox during this period and consider checking your spam or junk folder just in case the message lands there. Why do delays happen? There are a few common reasons. First, the airline may need to confirm seat availability and align fare rules before ticketing. Second, payment and security checks can trigger a short hold, especially if the system detects anything unusual and wants to protect you against fraud. And third, special requests like traveling with pets, mobility assistance, or other custom needs may require manual review before tickets are issued. While you're waiting, you can verify where your booking stands directly within the eDreams help area. Open the help page and click More. Then look for Booking Status and select What is the status of my booking? There, you'll see a clear breakdown of each stage: booking, payment, and issuance of tickets. If booking and payment are complete but issuance is still in progress, it usually means your ticket is being finalized and should arrive once the airline confirms everything. If 24 hours pass and you still don't have a confirmation, it's time to contact support. Reach out through the eDreams app or website help channels and ask for an update on your booking status. Having your booking reference and payment details handy will make the process faster. Be sure to mention how long you've been waiting and whether the status page shows any step still pending. To recap, most confirmations arrive within minutes after payment. Occasionally, it can take up to 24 hours due to airline checks, payment verification, or special requests. Use the help page path. More, booking status, what is the status of my booking, to see whether booking, payment, or issuance is still in progress. And if there's no confirmation after 24 hours, contact support for assistance.